Hi kitty cats. So today I tried on some Dia&co dresses and also this top, which I'm not liking because the material keeps running up on me. Like it doesn't want to stay down and it's just really annoying me. So it's very like slinky material. And this thing up front is like cute, but then they're all, it's like too much. It's like they did too much with this. Like there's the print and then all the jewels and then like it's a lot, even for me. Like I'm feeling a little Las Vegas-y, I don't know if that's the right word. It's just a lot even for me. Like I like big bold things and prints sometimes, but I like to do them stylishly with, you know, maybe some things that are not as bold. Would that be the proper word? Not as aggressive. I feel like this shirt's like really like, woo! Like crazy old lady vibes or something. Am I saying the right things? I don't want to be offensive. I'm sorry if I offended anybody. If you like this top and it's for you and you rock it, by all means rock it. It's just not for me. It doesn't make me feel right. And the pants they sent, these shorts that they sent were kind of, they were nice. Like, but my preference in life, and Holly and Isadora makes good stuff, but my preference these days are dresses, especially long dresses. I really like wearing like a nice long maxi dress or long sundress. And most of the stuff that came, I had 3 dresses that came, which made me especially like excited, but, and you'll see the rest of it and then we'll come back. Okay, so now you've seen the 3 dresses, and hopefully you'll understand what I'm talking about when I'm, so the red dress, I love, red is my favorite color. So especially I was thinking this is the dress I'm gonna like out of the 3 of them, because I can only afford one thing right now. Because I went and bought like a whole bunch of stuff from Bloom Chic, which hopefully will come in the next couple weeks, and I'll do a try-on video with that stuff. I hope it all fits. I did my measurements. I saw some people complaining about it not fitting, but then when I asked those people, did you check the measurements? Because their sizes are slightly different than what sizes are with a lot of other companies, in my opinion. So if you didn't measure yourself up to their sizes, that's probably why it's not fitting. And none of those people answered me in the comments. These were comments on Bloom Chic's Facebook page, and none of those people answered me, which made me think that they didn't. Because I know a lot of other people who have gotten stuff from Bloom Chic and loved it and it looked great on them, so I'm thinking that they didn't measure themselves properly. But we will see when it all comes. I put kind of a pretty penny on it because there were so much stuff on Bloom Chic that I wanted to try out. but we'll see how it goes. If I like the clothes, if I feel like they fit me well, then they will probably be a regular place for me to buy from, and then you guys can feel comfortable buying from them. But always remember to check sizing charts on these places, because I make that mistake all the time and I've learned my lesson. Always check their sizing charts and measure yourself, because you'd be surprised. The size that you think you are isn't always the size to every company that you work with. So anyways, all of these are either 28 or 4X, by the way. This is a, yeah, 26, 28, the red dress. And I liked it, but didn't like it. I especially liked the little flounce at the end, but the upper part was a little too clingy. This material is very clingy, and I felt like it clung in the middle a bit much. Plus there's no pockets. And I really prefer a dress with pockets if possible. So even though I like it, was it my favorite? I don't think so. No, it was not my favorite. So we're gonna put that aside. This also, this I thought was, if you hear any screaming children in the background, those are my neighbor's kids outside. They're just playing and having fun. They get loud sometimes because they're kids. And try to find the end of this so I can show this properly. So I thought I was really gonna like this too. It's tie-dye. I thought that this here was all the way to the, like, across the chest. And I was mistaken when I saw it online, because with Dia&co you can have a stylist or you can just pick a bunch of stuff out. The 3 dresses I picked out myself. The denim shorts and the shirt, I believe the stylist picked out, because I don't remember picking this out. So, the material also, this is, I don't know if you can see, it's hanging. It's awful. Just, it's not comfortable. It's really, it's like quilted but not quilted. I can't even explain, like, the texture. It's weird. I've never had anything with material like this before. The size is 4X. It's from Mary Sky. I mean, it's whatever. And I'll go over the pricing afterwards. I totally forgot about that. So that is all majorly no-no. Like, the red dress was still a maybe at that point. But that thing was like, no way. Then I tried this on, and I think this is the winner of dresses. Like, I almost thought, though, maybe I would get the denim shorts. But no, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this dress. I think this is gonna be the winner. I think it's inside out, though. We want it, yeah. We don't want that. We want to show you what it looks like. Well, you already saw what it looks like on me. I wasn't sure because the buttons, I thought, you know, I don't usually like things with like a lot of buttons on it. I don't know why, but I don't. I used to love it when I was younger. But then I kind of got into it, I think because they like, but this was cute. It's tie-dyed, but in a, like, tie-dyed across like that, you know. The material is slinky, but not so slinky that I feel like it's bunching up on me or like sticking to me too much. Like, it's a 26-28 from Avenue, which doesn't surprise me. I've had Avenue clothing before and I've always liked it. Do you ever feel like there's something here? Like, I keep feeling like there's something there, but there's nothing there. It's just me being weird. My lips are super dry too, so that probably doesn't happen. Help! God, I can't even talk today. Sorry, I'm very tired today, if you can't tell. So, yeah, I think this is the winner. It did have pockets, which made me happy. There's no ruffles or anything at the end, but it's very comfortable. Comfort is a big thing for me these days. I want it to look fashionable, but also comfortable. Because that's where I'm at in life. So, yeah, I think this is the winner. And what's it about new clothes that... You know that smell? Like, when you, especially... You know it's like at a clothing store, too? It's like new clothes smell? Am I weird? Am I weird? Guys, tell me if I'm weird. And gals. And everyone in between. Tell me, am I weird? Am I weird? People, let me know if I'm weird. Because I think it smells like it. New clothes have this smell to them, in my opinion. Anyways, I'm keeping that. I'm not keeping this. I do like this detail. Like another shirt with this detail on it would be really cute. But this shirt's just like... If it was plain blue with the sequins in this, maybe. But the print with the sequins just... it's just too much. Too much. So let's go over the prices before I really finalize the decision. I'm pretty sure the dress is what I'm gonna go with, but you never know. I might change my mind. So you pay like $20 to get the box. And then you get the $20 back if you pick something. So if you spend 30 bucks on something, you only have to spend $10 on it because you already spent the 20. So you get your $20 back if you pick out something. And if you buy everything in the box, it's 25% off all of it. So the Avenue Phoebe button midi dress, which is what I liked, was $42. So I'm probably going to spend $22 on that. That sounds like a good deal to me. The Evan Sutton frill hem dress, which was the red dress, that was size 26-28, is also $42. So Avenue Bella Bling top, that's what this thing is. Which it says it's black and white. This is not black and white. I don't know why it says it's black and white. It is different shades of blue, really, and beige. I don't know why it says black and white. Also size 26-28, it's $38. The Molly and Isadora Celine roll cuff denim shorts, dark wash, size 28, are $55. Not bad for a pair of denim shorts at all. $55 I think is pretty good. These days, at least. Gone are the days where you spend like 20 bucks for a pair of jeans. And a lot of people are probably like, when did that happen? A long time ago. I land far away. That's how it feels. So, the Mary Sky Brazilian tie-dye cotton maxi dress, which was black and white, that I do not like at all. I think it's awful. It was 4X. That was the most expensive thing, and I think it was the worst. Out of all of this stuff, I think that was the worst thing. Like, even worse than this top. It's just not. No. And you guys will probably have completely different opinions about these outfits and this clothing. And that's fine. We all don't have the same taste. These are just the way I feel about it. And my body type too. Also. And size. Like the whole thing. So, $62 seems like a lot for that dress to me. And the total was $239. If I decided to get all of them though, it would have been $159 with the 25% off. So, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get just the one white and blue dress here, navy white dress here from Avenue. I'm gonna keep that, and the rest of it can go back. So that's what we're doing. Yay me. Yay. So that's the dress I'm gonna keep. I'm super excited about it, and yeah, everything else I'm not super excited about. I don't know why I said that, but I like it. It's a nice dress. I was super excited about the dresses, I guess is what I was thinking. I don't know. Like I said, I'm all flustered today and tired and just a mess. I'm a mess. That's okay. I know I look like crap. Not like crap, but you know, I look tired and I am. So, I understand. My lips are dry, I feel icky. I just need a nap. I need a nap. I need a nap. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. And thanks to Dia&co for, you know, for always getting me a good stylist. My stylist was Stacy A. And yeah, so I spent 20 bucks on the box. And, you know, it's a good deal. The first couple boxes I remember that I got, I didn't like. Then I didn't get any boxes for a long time. And then I was getting them again. They actually, they emailed me and were like, are you gonna, you know, get any boxes? And I was like, I don't know. I'm thinking about just leaving it behind altogether. And they were like, oh, let's get you a different stylist, you know, and talk some more about what you want. And they actually like called me and talked to me about like what I would like and what I don't like. And it's been going much better since then. And now that you can like pick out some of your clothes too, like it also really helps to be able to like look at stuff and go, oh, you know what, I like this and this. So, and decide what you want to try on if you don't want a stylist. So yeah, it's a good deal in my opinion. And that's all, folks. I'm happy with it, happy with this dress, and I hope you're all having a great day and a great week. And my birthday was yesterday, which you'd think that would be why I'm tired, but not really. It was actually a very, very, it just wasn't a lot going on. Like, I used to have huge blowouts on my birthdays, and now I'm just here. I'm like, I'm just here, mind my own business, I get a few gifts, have a nice dinner usually, but we didn't even usually we'll order dinner from someplace, but I just wasn't into it this year, so we just stayed home and had hot dogs. Like, really, that's what we did. And we did watch a movie that we rented. We watched Everything Everywhere All at Once, which I highly, highly suggest. It was amazing and really good. I think also my psoriatic arthritis is really taking a hold of me. Fatigue-wise, it's not like I'm in an incredible amount of pain. The fatigue is really hitting me hard lately. And the skin has been really breaking out. The psoriasis part has been getting really bad, and I'm like constantly like itchy and dried out, just like my lips. So that's part of it too. You feel fatigued and dried out. Like, just all dried out, people. Anyways, like I said, have a great week. Hopefully I'll have something for you again in a couple days. And see you next time. Bye bye, kitty cats.